Out of the world of opposites, we can build unity. Book 1. This booklet has been designed to be read, coloured in, discussed, pondered. Change actions grow and leads to maturity. Building resilience through vision change. Mine. That's my book. What are these two children doing? What do you think the adult is going to do next? Pause the video here and discuss those questions. No, mine. Give it back. Gentle voices, please. What do you think is going to happen next? Pause the video here and discuss the question. Only by forgiving and kind actions towards each other is going to stop this fight. We can share. That is my book and I'm right. Do you think the two children are ready to forgive and be kind to each other? Pause the video here and ask the questions. It is good to go for a walk. You're a meanie. I hate you. Look, there's a park. Let's go and play together. Do you feel the children should have gone to the park? What difference would a walk do for you if you were upset? Pause the video here and discuss the questions. How many people do you need to make a seesaw work? 2. That is a saying for a fight to continue. Just 2 is all it needs for disunity to work. What is disunity? How many people of any age group do you need to keep a fight going? Pause the video here and discuss the question. Disunity happens when one person takes the role of a bully and the other takes the role of a victim. Am I the victim? Am I taking the part of the bully? Do you know when you are being a victim or a bully? Pause the video here and discuss the question. I don't like feeling like a victim. I don't want to be a bully. Everyone does not want to act in the role of a bully or a victim. We all need to learn another way. Unity is that other way. What do you think triggers you to be either a bully or a victim? Pause the video here and discuss the question. Everything in the physical universe has an opposite. Tall, short, big, small, hot, cold, heavy, light, bully, victim. What are some opposites you can think of? Pause the video here and discuss the question. Look at this seesaw. Opposites sitting on a point of balance. Opposites at each end. Bully on one extreme and the victim on the other extreme. Is in the middle the point of balance? Where do you think the point of balance would be? Pause this video here and discuss the question. Point of balance. Unity. What does unity look like in our actions, in our thoughts? in the words we use. Pause the video here and discuss the questions. At the point of balance, we practice the actions of being friendly, patient, detached, enduring, joyful, thankful, kind, and many more unity-making actions. What type of thoughts, what type of words do you think would also show unity in action? Pause the video here and discuss the questions.